So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to edit the move-in date filter here on Redfin. So for example, this works for if you want to buy or rent a house. We'll just go ahead here and do buy a house as an example. Type in your location and press on search. Now, once you're here, if you want to go ahead and edit the move-in filter date, so maybe you want to move in, right away, or maybe it's like 6 months from now, but you still want to see what's out there. It works the exact same way. Go to the top here to where it says filters. Then I want you to scroll down, keep scrolling down all the way to where it says, or hold on, maybe not under for sale. Maybe if I were to go to for rent right here and press on done, and then go to filters right here, perhaps it'll show you the move-in date. So yes, it only works for renting right here. If you wanted to move in, for example, let's just say on December 1st, a couple months from now, you can go ahead and press on see homes right here. Now what you're going to be seeing is a refined search to listings, or I guess rental listings, that offer your specific move-in date and potentially later as well. So very straightforward, very simple. This is how you guys can edit the move-in date filter here on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.